This digital board and the ones here may appear quite similar at the first glance, but the true difference becomes visible when you actually use them. That's because one is built on optical touch technology while the others utilize IR touch. The interactive displays that use IR touch technology have IR emitters on the sides that emit the rays in a parallel manner. When you write on the panel, it blocks these rays and thus get detected as a touch. However, the precision becomes much often lower, leading to a noticeable gap between the touch and the ink. This can result to a laggy experience. While the digital board that uses optical touch technology has edge optic sensors that gets embedded between the IR LED emitters. These sensors allow the rays to pass in a crisscross fashion, making them very close together. So when you touch the panel, the interruption is detected with high precision, resulting in a seamless writing experience, while the touch and the ink align perfectly together. This makes a huge difference in the overall user experience, especially for the teachers who require effortless writing. So when you're choosing a digital board for your classroom, keep in mind about the writing experience. Opting for an optical touch technology powered digital board will enhance the efficiency and save your time. I hope this video has given you good valuable insights. If you have any questions or experiences to share, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video soon.